afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. How are you, ma'am?
Good afternoon. Tell me.
How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, fine, fine. Thank you, thank you. Fine, fine. Fine, all. Thank you. Ask. Somebody is asking something. क्या है? बताओ. Nothing. Okay. So I told you to study and come जानवरों के नाम. Everybody studied?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. We will revise. After I will take a dictation. First we can revise. So, Ilham. What are which all words we learn? Read the words. Dictation words पढ़ो. कौन सा word है?
Yes, ma'am.
Read. जानवरों के नाम सिखाया था ना? जानवर.
कुत्ता. Dog. बिल्ली. Cat.
Beginning onwards, which word onwards we studied? Cow. Start from there. Notebook है आपके पास? Did you copy it in the notebook? Then you can open that notebook. Open करो. And look and read. Others listen the spelling also. Okay, those who are reading, everybody should listen the spelling, Hindi spelling. Ilham, did you open?
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ो.
Sure, lion. Jai cow.
Gargosh rabbit.
Ghoda elephant. Ghoda horse.
Ghoda horse. Elephant means who?
Hathi.
Hathi.
Billy. Billy cat. Kutta dog.
भालू
bear.
मंगी हिंदी वर्ड क्या है? मंगी.
बंदर.
बंदर. ओके, वेरी गुड. अद्वैत अरुण, जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ो. अद्वैत.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Guy, cow, खरगोश, elephant, घोड़ा, horse, sure, lion, भालू, bear, बंदर, monkey, बाघ, tiger, बिल्ली, cat, कुत्ता, dog.
Yeah, very good. Now, मीनाक्षी बताओ. एलिफेंट का हिंदी वर्ड बताओ. एलिफेंट. Who is elephant? Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
एलिफेंट का हिंदी वर्ड क्या है? Did not study it? Did you study it, मीनाक्षी? कौन है एलिफेंट?
Mama, I don't know.
Then say what is the word for horse?
Horse. Ghoda.
Ghoda. Which word for monkey? Monkey का हिंदी वर्ड बताओ. Muted. Why muted? Unmute and say. What happened, मीनाक्षी? William. Elephant हिंदी वर्ड क्या है? Elephant. बंदर. देखो कौन है एलिफेंट? विलियम बताओ. नो साउंड. चेक योर ऑडियो. हेलन बताओ एलिफेंट का हिंदी वर्ड. हाथी. मीनाक्षी, कौन है एलिफेंट का हिंदी वर्ड क्या है? हाथी. हाथी. ओके. नाउ हेलन बताओ टाइगर का वर्ड क्या है? Let me know you studied. Bhag. Very good. Bear.
Balu.
Bhalu. Cat.
Billy.
Very good. Joachim बताओ. Joachim बताओ. What is the word for horse? Horse.
Horse.
Hmm.
Goda.
Goda. Cow.
Cow. Cow.
Hmm.
Go.
Ga.
Guy.
Guy. Rabbit.
Gargosh.
Gargosh. You don't study the spelling. All should read 3 times all the word. Guy. Cow. What of guy? Cow 3 times. Read the spelling. Hindi spelling. Guy. Cow. Guy. Cow. कैसे लिखेंगे गाय? नेक्स्ट वर्ड क्या है? खरगोश.
Gargosh.
खरगोश.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. खरगोश. Rabbit. 3 times. खरगोश. Rabbit.
Gargosh. Rabbit. Rabbit.
The next word पढ़ो. हाथी. कैसे लिखेंगे हाथी? हाथी. नेक्स्ट क्या है? घोड़ा. घोड़ा. अब कौन है? भालू. भालू. भालू मीन भालू. The next word बंदर. बंदर.
Bandar.
Monkey. Right. बंदर. Monkey.
Monkey.
Bag. Bag.
Bag. Tiger.
Tiger. Bag. Tiger.
Tiger. Tiger.
बिल्ली. बिल्ली. Cat.
Cat.
कुत्ता. कुत्ता means dog. कुत्ता. One we forget to read. Share. Share means who? Share. Lion. Lion. Share. Lion. Read the spelling and close your book. Let me check you how many of you studied the spelling. Close your Hindi notebook and Hindi textbook. Take a new page. Darshit, what is that? Take a new page. Take your rough book. Take a new page. I will give some fill in the blanks question. You have to find and write the correct word. Okay. So take. Everybody should take rough book. Close your notebook. Okay. We are going to write. I will give 8 words. First, you can copy that. After, you should copy the question. Then you can write slowly the answer. Options I will give. First, you can copy that. Pura karo. No need to write this. Pura karo. Complete the word. Word you have to complete. No need to write this. This question onwards. Question number 1 onwards you can write. Okay. Ghar dash sh. Second question dash You copy this. Okay. All should copy it. Bha dash. Question पहले question लिखो. उसके बाद answer लिखो. Dash yeah. Question number 5 dash dar. Sixth question ha dash. Seventh question dash li. Dash dha.
Questions.
Now I will give in the box. I will give some answers. You have to find and write the correct answers from this. Okay. One is go. First one is go. B. Lu. Bum. Ga. Dhi. Go. She. Now identify the animal and write with correct spelling. Choose the correct spelling from there. Ghar dash sh dash bha dash y dash dar. Fifth question. Sixth one ha dash. Seventh question dash li. Eighth question dash dha. Fill the correct spelling here. From the box. Box no need to copy. You have to find and write the answers from that. Only copy the question and complete the answer. Completed? Choose the correct spelling from the box. You do fast, right? Dial, Dave, Dial, did you completed? Durga, what happened? Completed, children?
Yeah.
8 questions are there. Choose the
Yes,
correct
ma'am.
answer. Those
Yes, ma'am.
be quiet. Wait. Let others do.
Yes, ma'am.
8th one dash da. Which animal that? Fine.
Ma'am, we are finished.
Those who finish, please be quiet.
I'll finish. Ma'am, I'm finished.
Williams finish? Yeah. 1 more minute. All should complete fast. I will give 1 more minute.
Finished.
After completing, all should keep your pencil down. Listen.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah. Time up. I think everybody completed. Anybody is there for completing?
No.
No. All completed?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
We are going to.
Yes.
I will ask. 1 minute. Ab. Ihan. Completed? No. Ihan, unmute and say what is the first word with the meaning. You should say. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Batao. क्या है पहला? घर घोष. Which one? This answer. घर go. Check your answer. Is it correct or not? घर घोष. घर घोष.
Rabbit.
घर घोष rabbit. Okay, you can mute now. Now, why this all camera is off? Many cameras are off. Joda unmute and say which word next. Second word क्या है? Second word dash कौन सा word है? Joda, you are there? William unmute and say the answer. क्या है? पढ़ो. What is the word? Oh, it's not clear. Your sound I can't hear. Junita, बताओ. Junita.
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ. क्या है?
Share.
शेर. कौन सा लेटर? शाह और ए की मात्रा. शेर. नेक्स्ट.
Share lion.
शेर लायन.
Lion.
शेर लायन. नेक्स्ट. शेर लायन. नेक्स्ट वन. हेलन.
Yes, ma'am. Balu.
Bhalu. La plus u. Bhalu. Bhalu is the correct answer. Lu. Balu. कौन है बालू? श्रीवेद.
Bear.
श्रीवेद. फोर्थ आंसर क्या है? कौन सा लेटर लिखना है इधर?
Guy.
गा. We can add there गा. तो क्या बना? गाय. गाय means who? Who is guy?
Cow.
cow. जोखिम बताओ. जोखिम. dash दर.
Bandar.
बा और अंक की मात्रा. बंदर. वेरी गुड. बंदर. नेक्स्ट. एशवेल बताओ. एशवेल.
Yes.
6.
Hathi.
हा.
T.
थी. Which
T.
one? था plus e. थी. हाथी.
Yeah.
हाथी. Now अद्वैत बताओ. 7th one.
Yes, ma'am. B.
बी.
Billy.
छोटी की मात्रा. बिल्ली. बिल्ली. हु इज बिल्ली?
Cat.
मोहम्मद इल्हाम बताओ. मोहम्मद. लास्ट वन. कौन है लास्ट?
Goda.
Yeah, very good. Go. Last one only remaining. It is go. Goda. Okay. Did you all get the spelling? Correct. Correct it. 8 questions. Count and write your mark. 8 out of 8. Gargosh, Sher, Bhalu, Khai, Bandar, Hathi, Bhilli, Ghoda. That is the answers. Okay. Now, who will get full mark? Raise your hand. Show me your paper after Rishikesh completed. Okay. Advaita, Helen, Joachim, Ashwal. Full mark? Yes. Yeah. Santino, where is your paper? Did you get? Yeah. Okay. Muhammad Wazim. Muhammad Wazim. Sarah will be. William. Durga. Meenakshi. What about Meenakshi? Where is your paper, Meenakshi? Show me. Corrected. Ihan.
Yes, ma'am.
Ihan, Heaven,
Ma'am, I cannot
Advaita,
hear you.
Mohammad Wazim. Sarah. Yes, very good. Meenakshi, batao.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
I cannot. You cannot see the board. You cannot see. Tell
Yes,
me.
Yes,
You cannot hear me or you cannot see.
now I can hear.
Did you complete it?
Yes.
What's your score? 8. Tell me. Did you write? Full. Then say, show me your paper. Srived. Full. Very good. Srived. Helen. Full. Okay. Sarah. Dia. Very good. Joachim. Anybody got 7 mark? 7. Anyone is there? 7. No. Yeah.
No.
All.
And Muslim got 8 out of 8.
I'm asking anybody get 7.
8 out of 8.
Yeah. Very good. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, I got 8.
Those who got 8, I read the name. No. I asked, anybody got 7 or less than 7? No. Everybody get full mark. Yeah, very good. Means all are studying all the words. What about Aradhya? Aradhya? Full mark. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Keep it up. All should all studied the spelling. Very good, children. So we completed Janvaron ke naam. Today we are going to start the new chapter. Okay. Today we are going to study chapter number 5, part 5. Okay, part 5. That is how to use year and wa. And we will study some small sentence, how to write the sentence also. We are going to study today. Okay, so we will start chapter 5. Kya hai? Year and wa. Do you know what is the meaning year and wa? Yeah, very good, very good. I will call. 1 minute. बताओ, अद्वैत बताओ. You are looking and reading from the textbook. यह का मतलब क्या है? Did you see that? यह means क्या है?
Yeah means this. Work means that.
Okay, that you know. This and that. Yeah, wa. Okay. Here we are using for which thing is our near. For that we can use year. Okay. And when it is far from us, we will use wa. Okay. Now listen. Now I will show you this thing. क्या है ये? Can you see this, children?
Pencil.
Pencil है. तो क्या करेंगे हम? How we can make a sentence with this pencil? यह pencil है.
Pencil है.
या यह pencil है. Because it is near to me, I'm keeping in my hand. Then we can say यह एक pencil है या यह pencil है. This is a pencil. Okay. When it will
Pencil.
It is not my near. It's kept on a table or somewhere. What we will say? वो. Okay. वो हमने इधर उधर. आपको याद है ना? इधर उधर हमने पढ़ा. इधर means here, means there. The same way. यह वो. हमारे सामने है तो यह. पास है तो यह. दूर है तो वो. Understood? यह वो. Very simple. Yah and wah. Yah means this, wah means that. Clear?
That.
Now we can, I will write and show you how to write this. Okay. No need to write now. I will say when you have to start. Now you should listen here. Okay. So we are going to write yah. देखो या यह मीन्स क्या है? This. Okay. Yeah. This. Which thing is our near? We can use here. This. Or next is wa. Wa means क्या है?
That.
That. Wow. That. Yeah. This. Wa means क्या है? That.
That.
Understood? Yeah. Wa. पढ़ो. Yeah. Wa.
Yeah. This.
Wa.
Yeah.
This. Wa. That. Now I will show you one thing. Now I am going to draw a lamp. a tree. One minute. इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? क्या है ये?
पेड़.
कैसे लिखेंगे ये? पेड़.
पेड़.
पेड़ मीन्स क्या है?
पेड़.
ट्री.
Tree.
पेड़. Now it is near to us. So we can write your पेड़. Your पेड़ है.
है.
After completing your पेड़ है, this is a tree. After completing that, we can write this. Do you know what is this? A sentence पूरा हो गया तो हम क्या करेंगे?
Full stop.
फुल स्टॉप. हिंदी में कैसे लिखेंगे फुल स्टॉप? देखो, ये पेड़ है के बाद हमने फुल स्टॉप लगाया. In English and Malayalam we are giving like this one dot, but हिंदी में क्या कैसे लिखेंगे फुल स्टॉप? ये है फुल स्टॉप. ओके, पूर्ण विराम. ये पेड़ है. ये पेड़ है. Because it is near, that's why we can say ये पेड़ है. Now I will draw that tree little far. अब ये हमारे पास नहीं है, दूर है. वो पेड़ कहाँ है? हमसे बहुत दूर, फार. तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे इसके बारे में?
वहाँ पेड़ है.
वह पेड़ है. कैसे लिखेंगे?
पेड़.
पेड़.
पेड़ है.
पेड़ है. वो पेड़ है. What is the meaning? Meaning changed? Changed to क्या? That is a tree.
That is a tree.
That is a tree. That is a tree. ये पेड़ का मतलब है, ये पेड़ है means this is a tree. वो पेड़ है इसका मतलब क्या है? That is a tree. Understood children? और ये है, हमने ये लिखा, पेड़ है, वो पेड़ है, ये पेड़ है. ये है का मतलब है means is. Okay. When you will study grammar, when I will start grammar, I will teach you some more. It's now you just study this. Hey means क्या है? Is. क्या है? Is. यह पेड़ है. यह पेड़ है. वह पेड़ है.
वह पेड़ है.
पढ़ो. यह means क्या है? यह means क्या है? This. वह means क्या है? That. One minute.
That.
Now I will draw here.
फूल.
ये क्या है?
फूल.
ये क्या है?
फूल.
ये फूल.
यह फूल है.
फूल है. कैसे लिखेंगे?
फूल है.
फूल है.
फूल है.
फुल स्टॉप लगाना है ना? फुल स्टॉप. उसके बाद क्या है? फुल स्टॉप. और देखो नेक्स्ट हियर आई विल 1 minute. अब ये क्या बताएंगे?
वह
ये फूल है और
वह फूल है.
वह फूल
है.
वह फूल है. स्टडी. यह फूल है, वह फूल है. Understood children? Yeah. So what we learned today? Year and वह. यह means क्या है? यह सेंटेंस हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में लिखेंगे. अब ये लिखो यह. यह means take your rough book. This. Write 5 times. यह this. यह this.
3 4 5.
वह means क्या है?
यह.
That. और है means है also right. है का मतलब है is. Verb, helping verb is. Write it 5 times everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah. This.
Means this.
Yeah. This. Were. That. Right, everyone. Write and study. Yeah. This. Were. That.
Man, we have to write this 5 times.
Write and study 5 times. Read and write. Yeah. Were. Yeah. This. Were. That.
Yeah.
Uh,
Means
uh.
this. Yeah. Means this.
Were.
Yeah.
That.
Means this. Work.
A is.
This.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm.
This. Means that.
Were. That. Were. Were.
That. Yes. Work. 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 Work means that. Work means
Mm.
that.
Yeah. This. Were. That. A means is.
Yeah. Work. Yeah. Work. This means that. Work. Means this. Means this. Work. Yeah. Means this. Means this.
Completed.
That. No. No.
I'm
Finished.
Do.
Work.
Mm.
This. That.
That. That. Mm.
I'm finished. And third question.
Third one is hey. Hey.
Hey.
आई की मात्रा. हाँ, उसके ऊपर आई की मात्रा जोड़ने से है. है.
Hey. Hey. This. Hey. This. Hey. This. Hey means this. Hey means this.
Mm.
Hey means this. Hey means this. Hey means this. Hey means this.
William's completed. William completed. William, please read this. William, don't know the sound.
I'm finished.
Darshit completed. Who told to complete?
Yes.
Writing. Helen. Read.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. This. Means this.
Next word.
That. Hey
Mm.
is.
Mm.
Finish, ma'am.
Ah.
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, haven't.
Mm.
I will read. Hey, this.
Mm. What is the meaning of this word? कैसे पढ़ेंगे? ये क्या है?
Kamal. Kamal.
कमल. कमल. ये क्या है?
Lotus.
आम. और ये?
Mango.
गुलाब.
Rose.
ये कौन है? ये? क्या है ये? घड़ी. Yeah. ये आपको मालूम है. Just copy this word one time. Copy this all words one time. Paid.
Yes, ma'am.
Paid. One time. Read it. Okay, read it and come. Third, copy. Kamal. गुलाब,
गुलाब,
घड़ी,
गुलाब,
घड़ी,
गाड़ी, आम,
खरगोश,
आम, पेड़, खरगोश, कमल, घड़ी,
घड़ी, आम
आम,
क्या है? आम,
मैंगो,
खरगोश,
रैबिट,
रैबिट, पेड़ ट्री, कमल लोटस, गुलाब रोज, घड़ी क्लॉक, आम मैंगो, खरगोश rabbit. Okay, know the meanings, this all words. All should copy it one time, read it 5 times. Okay, the next class we will start sentence. At next class onwards I will make you to write that. All should read and come this year, wow, hey, ped, kamal, gulab, ghadi, aam, gargosh. Okay. कंप्लीट हो गया? पूरा किया सबने? You have to read these words. Kamal, gulab, ghadi, aam, gargosh. And study here, this, word, that, hey, is. Okay? Next class we will study the sentence. So, everything completed, everyone? Anybody is there for completing? So, shall we? Thank you, thank you. Rishikesh? Somebody is calling for
Ma'am, I know English word.
आम means क्या है?
English.
Mango. Mango.
Am.
That. Who is that? Yeah. Okay, Diya. Okay, bye. Dhanyawad. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.